for acoustic guitar. In this lesson of the basics, we're going to take a look at hybrid picking. Hybrid picking is a style, or a technique actually, of utilizing a flat pick or a thumb pick in tandem with the fingers. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. You can do some fingerstyle types of ideas, but also have the benefit of a flat pick or a thumb pick to play some single note lines. So let's jump right in here. For this lesson and this video demonstration, I'm going to be using a flat pick, and the lesson is notated in that P, which normally represents the thumb. In traditional fingerstyle notation, that P will represent the pick. Of course, you can do these examples with a thumb pick, and that will free up the index finger. So wherever there's a middle finger, you could replace that middle finger with the index finger, and the ring finger, A, can be replaced with the middle finger, and so on. But for this video demonstration, we're going to work on a flat pick and use the middle finger and the ring finger, which are notated M and A in the music examples, together with P for pick. So let's jump right in. Example 1, we just kind of get a feel for a down picking motion with sort of a pluck with the middle finger. So we'll just start right out with kind of a double stop, a tenth, a major tenth in A. And the whole idea of this is just to get used to plucking the strings together. The pick is going down while the middle finger is plucking up. And together you get this nice pluck. So in example 1, we have kind of a little double stop scale fragment in tenths going through A major. Here it is, example 1. Example 2, we expand that just a little bit by alternating between the pick and the middle finger in eighth notes. So here we go. Here's example 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, in example 3, we're going to incorporate a rhythm. And what we're going to do is basically this rhythm is going to alternate between a lower bass note, in this case the root of the chord, played with a pick, and then a double stop played with the middle finger and the ring finger together. So here is example 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Alright, with example 4, we're going to basically take example 3 and just do a variation on the pattern. The rhythm for example 4 will be exactly the same as the rhythm for example 3. The difference is now that we're going to add a string in between, so we're going to basically skip strings in between the middle and ring fingers so you can feel a spread between those. So our first chord, for example, is an A minor triad, and you'll notice that the middle finger is placed on the G string and the ring finger is placed on the high E. And this pattern will continue until the 4th measure when we go to a C chord, and then you'll drop everything down one string set, that last C chord. So here's example 4 in time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and...